my darling dancers. This is a quick tutorial, hopefully quick. I'm going to try to speed through it a little bit so that you can practice at home for our upcoming performance at the talent show. So to start, you start in your hip hop ready position, and when the music comes on, your head pops up with a really big smile, and then you go to the right. I'm going to face you, and so the directions are going to be different, but I'll do it with the music in just a second, and then you can practice going the same direction as me. So your head pops up, and then your hands go on your knee, and you go in a big circle to the right, and you march in place, and then your hands go together like this, and you do high knees, right? And then our hands go up, and we go right foot, left foot. This is Reggie. Reggie, okay, I gotta do this. We go right foot, left foot, out, together. Then we step out, head right, left, right, and down. Then we go in our airplane, and then we hop. Me, and then look up. You wait, what'd you say? And then you push off, and then you go right, right, left, left, out, in, out, in. Then we have our grapevine, so we go to the right, and clap to the left, and clap. We stay in our lines, but we separate, and we wave our fingers at the other side, and then we turn to them, and we do brush your shoulders off, like this. And then left side, you have, I like it when you do it like that, and point. Other side, you're in your hands crisscrossed positions, folded arms, and then you guys do the other side. You're always facing in. I like it when you do it like that, and point. Then we all go in a big circle to the right again, throw our hands up, and then we wave and walk it back, right? And then we'll do it again. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. They do 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we walk forward until we go, woo, stop me now. So we go jump, jump, and whichever way you need to slide back into the center, that's the way that you slide, and your hand goes that way. So if you're in the group that goes first, you go hop, hop, slide to the center. If you're in the other group, you go hop, hop, slide to the center, and you do that twice. And then, so you hop, hop, slide to the center, hop, hop, slide to the center. Then you're gonna point with your left hand low, then you're gonna point right hand high, then you're gonna point left hand center, big arms, which takes us to our claps. We go down, clap, and then when it says light up the sun, watch me shine, we go like the sun, and then we go down, or burn on down. So hands go up, burn, and then you pause and you go drum with your right hand first, right, left, right. Then you pause and you step to the right, and your arm goes up and you snap, step to the left, left arm goes up, okay?